Hola, amigas! So, it's the third day of my office lunch, and for today's menu, we have this sisig. Ang cute ng preparation niya. Oh. Chicharon on top, and it's only 65 pesos. There's also onion, there's green chili, and let's have our calamansi. Because for me, sisig is not complete without calamansi. There is also mayo. And kung gaano kalalaki yung mga chicharon, ganun din kalalaki yung mga sisig. And first time mainit yung rice. See the smoke? Malasa naman siya. Lasa ko din yung pork. But I don't feel like it's sisig. There's sabaw. And parang puro siya taba lang. One taba. Two taba. Three taba. Four, five, and so on. And ang masasabi ko lang, masarap yung sauce niya. Finally, this time, malambot yung kanin kasi bagong luto. Sile, pork, chicharon, and rice. Done eating. And let's drink again my JC barley. Sobrang hindi nakakasawa if you really want to balance your healthy lifestyle. And that's all for today, amigas. Adios!